Hello, I'm Michelle, the cheese manager at Lindbergh Schnucks. I love all things cheese, from brie to blue to Gouda to cheddar. I love them all, especially our American artisan cheeses. One of my absolute favorites is Barely Buzzed. This cheddar is made by the Beehive Cheese Company in Utah and is one of the most decorated American-made cheeses, winning over 30 awards since it was introduced in 2007. Just hours after it's made, the cheesemakers at Beehive coat the outside of Barely Buzzed with espresso and lavender and then let it age to perfection for the next 6 to 8 months. When you eat the cheese, you will taste notes of caramel and butterscotch with strong coffee notes when you get closer to the rind. It's really great when paired with a stout beer and some caramelized pecans. And who doesn't like a little dark chocolate? Barely Buzzed is always the center of attention on my cheese board. Stop by Schnucks and let me introduce you to Barely Buzzed cheese and guide you to all the fantastic American cheeses we have to offer during American Cheese Month. Thank you for shopping at Schnucks, and thank you for supporting American artisan cheese.